How to fix portrait mode not working on Android camera. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now select App Management. Wait until the search bar is loading. Now tap Search bar and find out your camera that you have been using where portrait mode is not working. Select it to open App Info page of camera. Now tap Storage Uses. Tap Clear Cache. Once you have cleared the cache, all the errors or box from the application will be deleted from this device. That's going to help you fix your problem. Once you're done, you need to go back again and on the App Info section, tap on Force Stop. Then tap on Force Stop again. Once you do that, close the Settings application. And then you will reach on the home screen where you have to press and hold the power button on your device. Then simply restart your device. Once you restart your device, sometimes simple restarting your device will help you to fix this kind of bugs and issues from your device. So that is how we fix portrait mode not working on Android camera. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.